Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to recharge AC in your Nissan Rogue. First, find the low-pressure service port, usually on the passenger side near the firewall. Next, attach your AC recharge kit hose firmly to this port. Then, start your vehicle's engine and set the air conditioning to its highest fan speed and coldest temperature. This prepares the system for proper refrigerant intake. Now, with the engine running and AC on high, begin adding the refrigerant. Hold the can upright and squeeze the trigger in short, 5 to 10 second bursts. Between each burst, check the pressure gauge on your kit. You want to reach the recommended pressure range, typically indicated by a green zone on the gauge. Avoid overfilling the system. Once the pressure is correct, carefully disconnect the recharge kit from the low-pressure port. Now, check the air coming from your vents. It should be noticeably colder. Also, listen for any strange sounds from the AC compressor, which could indicate other issues. A properly recharged system will provide consistent, cool air throughout the cabin. If your AC still isn't blowing cold after recharging, it might indicate a larger leak or a faulty component, and professional diagnosis is recommended. Regular maintenance, like checking for leaks and ensuring proper refrigerant levels, can extend your AC system's life. Remember to check the description for a link to grab some Little Trees black ice and other great deals to keep your car fresh. Keeping your AC in top shape ensures comfortable drives.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.